Outside is so cold. Take care.
My everything is small because of I cannot. I can't. Hello, we are at the barber shop today before going outside. So my husband is going to cut his hair today for the third time in Albania. So I hope that he likes this hairstyle today. He wants a Korean style usually, but in Albania we have another style. So the first 2 times he had the Albanian style. I didn't like it either. Together with him.
I don't like Albania.
Well, you insisted the first time to have the Albanian style. But okay.
I have a hair loss in genetic. Be careful when the cut in my hair.
Thot që ky e ka në fis rënien e flokut, janë rralluar goxha. Thot jam me fat që deri tani e kam mbajtur flokët. Prandaj thot të lutem ke kujdes mos më shkurtosh.
When my father started to lose hair, when he became 30 years old, my case was different. I have a lot of hair still, but
Moja. Moja.
머리 이상한 것 같은데.
응?
괜찮아?
괜찮아. 너무 괜찮아. 됐겠다.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye. But I tried to show them my hairstyle favorite before they couldn't cut.
Like in the picture that you showed to them.
Yeah. Always he made my hairstyle the Albanian hairstyle. Almost.
Do you know we do something after a person cuts his hair? Do you know what?
What?
We say this and that.
Oh my god.
So you can. I didn't cut my hair. Maybe later.
You seem to be like the French person there. French person. 오늘 머리를 자르고서 점심을 먹으러 와이프하고 이 알바니아 버섯 피자를 먹으러 왔거든요. 와이프 같은 경우는 버섯을 좋아해가지고 특별히 버섯 피자를 좀 시켰습니다. 맛있어 보이죠? 오케이, try it. You can make the mukbang. Wow. Whoa.
Also, we have like mukbang. Do you know why?
Why?
Because of the baby and because everyone is hungry.
Oh. How long have you been to Italy before?
I've been 2 times.
Good time.
The first time I've been 6 months. Second time 6 months too. And the third time 2 weeks. So I've been staying longer time. Because we had to do something. But because we have a lot of friends in Italy, every time that we were there, especially around 2 weeks that we stayed, so last time, they were always inviting for lunch for dinner. So most of the time we were eating pasta, and I was never enough. I never really reached the most pasta. I was trying to get them. But they are amazing cooks. Every Italian I love. It's like they are all chefs. Really. All cooking chefs.
I was surprised that most of Albanian usually prefer to get the Albanian, Italian culture and the Italian food almost.
Yeah.
When I was in Albania first time.
No, also the products and the style of Italy, because it's very close. It's like
It was kind of very proud to get Italy, clothes, Italy, the food, Italy, the house, like this
because
kind
it's
everything. 비가 아직도 오네. It's raining still.
Oh, it's cold.
No. 사이좋게 지내. 어? 사이좋게 지내. 사이좋게 지내. 나오지 마.
뭐야? It's our destiny. Today we have a guest. But don't worry, it's very clean, okay? I think it's
No.
a neighborhood cat. Because really it's very clean.
I'm gonna bring him the front of the market now. No! I know he's so cute, but we cannot handle it.
Oh, he really is like a baby. Oh. Yeah.